In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a passkey for added security on your Binance account. Having robust security measures in place for your cryptocurrency exchanges is crucial, and setting up a passkey will add an extra layer of protection. So let's walk through this process together. First, you'll need to log in to your Binance account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account section where you'll find the security settings. It's really important to familiarize yourself with these settings as they hold keys to bolstering your account's security. The interface is quite user-friendly, so take a moment to explore it if you haven't already. Within the security settings, look for the Passkey section. Many users sometimes overlook this feature, but it's a powerful tool for safeguarding your account. Click on Manage and then select Add Passkey. Here starts the exciting part where you take control of your account's security with a personalized touch. As you proceed, Binance might prompt you to verify via email or with two-factor authentication. This is a critical step, ensuring that only you can make such crucial changes to your account. Keep your email client ready and make sure your 2FA app is easily accessible. It's a good habit to regularly check your email for any unusual Binance-related notifications. Once you've verified your identity successfully, you'll see options to choose your passkey method. Binance gives you several choices, such as using a PIN, fingerprint, Face ID, or even a physical security key. Each method has its conveniences and advantages. For instance, if you're using a smartphone capable of biometric authentication, you might prefer a fingerprint or Face ID for the convenience of quick access. On the other hand, if you handle sensitive, high-value transactions often, a security key might provide peace of mind with its robust protection. Once you've chosen your preferred method, all you have to do is follow the prompts to set it up. These prompts will be straightforward, guiding you step by step. Make sure you pay close attention to any instructions or additional settings that might appear depending on your selection. This is the stage where you define your security preferences, so take your time to ensure everything is to your liking. And just like that, after these steps, your passkey is now active. With the passkey set up, it's seamlessly integrated into your login process and any security actions you take on Binance moving forward. Remember, while technology keeps advancing, human vigilance remains a key component in safeguarding your online accounts. Keeping this passkey handy and your credentials confidential is part of maintaining your account's security. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more guides on ensuring your digital security. Stay safe out there.